welcome to Abstract Boss. My name is Ashley, and today I am going to be building a dust-free work zone for your resin projects. If that's something you guys want to watch, stay tuned. All right, everyone. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So really this project was under $100 and done in under an hour, but that's not including the time it took me to build the shelves. Now, this was originally a 5-tiered shelving unit, but I decided to take off that top half and just do 4 shelves so that way they were closer together for my resin projects instead of extremely far apart and super tall. So this way I could use a little bit more wall space as well. Now, all you're going to do is cut your plastic to the width size, and then you're going to spread it out, and you're going to start by taping off the bottoms, and then you're going to hold it tight as you tape up the sides. Then you're going to cut, and then you can tape the top. And that is going to continue on all 3 of the sides. So you're going to have the 2 sides, and the third one is the back side. Now, the front side is going to be completely different. So I'm going to walk you guys through what I'm doing for the front side. You're going to start off the same by taping off both the right and left bottom corners, so that way everything is nice and tight at the bottom. And then you're going to pull it up and you're just going to cut right at the top of the metal. Now, the reason that I did this is so that way I kept it as nice and tight as possible, but because you don't want to actually tape the front sides, you want to make sure that you're just keeping it as tight and precise as possible, and then just go ahead and lay it down on the ground, and then you can do the rest of your work on the ground. I'm going to keep folding mine back up just so you guys can see how everything is working and coming together. I prefer the magnetic tape. Now, I wasn't sure if the magnetic tape was going to hold very well up at the top, but it actually did, and I think the seal is super awesome. I love it so much better because I know for me, Velcro grabs a lot of crap. And so I didn't want to put Velcro on as my main top. So I did do that for you guys to see that it does still work and it is going to still hold everything up, but I do not like it. I prefer that magnetic tape. It was super cheap and I love the seal that it gave me. So magnetic tape all the way for me. So option 1 is the Velcro, which it's still good. It's going to give you a great seal, but I'm just worried about Velcro grabbing things. And then option 2, of course, is that magnetic tape. Looks amazing, and you guys can see the finished project. Work zone for my resin projects. It is silly sounding and I am goofy and blah blah blah. Does that sound silly? You don't know? Hey everyone, welcome to Abstract Boss. Today I am going to walk you guys through making, no, hold on. You guys through, no. Making blah 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 blah. to Abstract Boss. I make my kid laugh. Okay, but for reals. Hey everyone, welcome to Abstract Boss. My name is Ashley, and today I am going to be doing a 100% dust-free project work zone. Blah, why am I so tongue-tied? I think it's your fault, kid. Hey everyone, welcome to Abstract Boss. My name is Ashley, and I'm going to be building this puppy today and showing you guys how to make it dust-free. You're not laughtering it?
It's puppy.